Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you another simple Filipino dish that I made at home. This time, I'm making my own version of Filipino Pinakbet. Pinakbet is a popular Filipino vegetable dish and there are many different ways to prepare it. For this recipe, I'm making my own version using the vegetables and ingredients that I have available at home. So, let's get started. For the vegetables, I have long beans, calabash or upo, okra, squash, and taro root or gabi. For the seasoning, I have garlic, red onion, soy sauce, ground black pepper, and some chilies. The chilies are completely optional. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to add the garlic. I'll cook the garlic for a little while until it becomes fragrant. Garlic gives the dish a really nice aroma and flavor. Next, I'm adding my red onion. I'll stir the garlic and onion together and let them cook for a little bit. Now, it's time to add some of the vegetables. I'm adding the squash and taro root first because these vegetables take a little longer to cook. I'll give everything a good stir so the vegetables can mix with the garlic and onion. Then, I'm going to let the pumpkin and taro cook for about 8 minutes. While they're cooking, the vegetables will start becoming tender and absorb the flavors from the garlic, onion, and coconut oil. After about 8 minutes, I'm going to add the calabash or upo and the okra. I'll stir everything together gently. At this point, the pan is already starting to smell really good. Now I'm going to add some soy sauce for flavor. You can adjust the amount of soy sauce depending on how salty or flavorful you want your pinakbet to be. Next, I'm adding some chilies. Again, this is completely optional. I like adding chilies because I enjoy a little bit of spice in my food. Then, I'm adding some ground black pepper. Now, I'm adding a little bit of MSG. I personally like it because it adds a little extra savory flavor to the dish. Finally, I'm adding the long beans. I'm adding these toward the end because I still want them to have a little bit of texture and not become too soft. Then I add a little bit water. Now I'm going to stir everything together and let the vegetables continue cooking. I'll keep stirring gently from time to time to make sure that all the vegetables are evenly cooked and coated with the seasoning. Oh, by the way, I also added oyster sauce, but this is completely optional. You can add it if you like a richer, more savory flavor. Now, stir everything again until all the vegetables are well coated with the seasoning. Look at all those colorful vegetables. The pumpkin, taro, okra, calabash, and long beans all come together to make a simple but delicious vegetable dish. Once the vegetables are tender and everything is cooked to my liking, my homemade pinakbet is ready. Look at this baby boy. This is Lexter. He loves sleeping while I'm cooking. I really love how colorful this dish turned out. It's simple, filling, and full of different vegetables and flavors. If you like your food spicy, you can add more chilies. If you prefer a milder flavor, you can leave the chilies out. You can also adjust the soy sauce and other seasonings according to your taste. Sometimes, cooking doesn't have to be complicated. You can simply use the vegetables that you already have at home and turn them into a delicious meal. I hope you enjoyed watching me make my own version of Filipino Pinakbet. And finally, it's time to serve. If you enjoyed this cooking video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And if you try making your own version of pinakbet, let me know what vegetables you like to add to yours. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you in my next video.